Can I tell you why? I have not drank in a while. So that's why I'm like...
The tolerance is down.
My tolerance is super down. Yeah.
Have you eaten recently?
Yeah, I did.
Have you been hit by the hammer recently?
Wait, I had like... I don't know if it's enough. I had a matcha tea this morning. And I had a breakfast sandwich. But like, is that... That's still food. Oh, go.
Go where, man? Where the fuck are you going?
Okay, we need a drink. We need a drink.
Where are you jumping, man?
Drink, bro. Drink. What is that noise?
Okay.
I swear this stream, I've like not heard you say certain or make certain noises like this before. This is so new for all of us. Dum, 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 dum.